Hello guys, I'm back again. This is like 4 uploads I've had since like today. It's like awesome. So, the only really thing I really wanted to do was just be on YouTube, get my thing back on. We're going to do another iOS 7 Cydia tweaks. So this is my new thing. It's going to be weekly, but for now, it's just going to be like for now. Ouch. I did something, but I just hurt myself with a golf club. So, there's this thing in Cydia. So what you want to do, it's, let me go in my settings, because I did forget what it was called. And it is called Messenger Plus. What you can do, you can make your keyboard black or blue. So let's go ahead and make that blue for now. And this next tweak is called No Password Lockout. And if you have any family members who like to go in your phone and you have a password on there, and you don't want them going into your thing, and they always lock your phone for a minute, well, this is the thing you need. It makes sure it doesn't take you out for a minute, doesn't take you out at any time. So this thing works like a charm. This next thing called is probably everyone has it. It's called Zeppelin. But if you're a new person in Cydia, what you want to do, you want to get Zeppelin, and then you see where it says iPod in the top right corner. Once you see that, and then watch this. Bam! Now it's an Apple. Then you have a choice of all this, and then you can get some other ones. See, I got Pac-Man, I got Assassin's Creed, all that good stuff. So I don't really like it. It's just there so I can help you guys. And then if you don't like display recorder, then you can get this recorder. It's called Record My Screen. All you gotta do is just with all these apps, you just go into Cydia and then they'll be there once you search them. This next thing is called Local IPS Store. It's hard to get. It only works. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Okay, it is enabled. And let's see. Let's just go ahead and go into, I'll actually do a different video on that because I'm in a short amount of time right now. And then the last tweak we got here is called iLock. This thing is the best. It makes anything really you want to enable. Now, okay, watch. I'm going to lock my screen. I open it. Oh, it doesn't work no more. But what it does, cancel. So what it does, it makes your screen hecka cool, but it's only a 3-day trial. So, yeah, that may be a little difficult. So, my 3 days are up. Then that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys like this tweak. And if you guys want to know how to get Cydia, I will let you guys know. And thank you guys if you guys want to know how to get it, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.